Shall we have breakfast together?
So for today's video, I am going to make 4 patterns. The components are Arduino, breadboard, potentiometer, LEDs, and resistor. So next, connect all the negative pin of LEDs to the resistor. Then connect the resistor to the ground. Next, connect the first pin of the potentiometer to the source of the breadboard. Then the second pin, connect to A0. LED 1 is connected to D2. LED 2 is connected to D3. LED 3 is connected to D4. LED 5 is connected to D5. Connected to D6. LED 7 is connected to D8. LED 8 is connected to D9. LED 9 is connected to D10. LED 10 is connected to D11. LED 11 is connected to D12. Last, LED 12 is connected to D13. So this is the code for the 4 patterns. First, I declare int LED 1 is equals to 2. This is the connection for that. Until int LED 12 is equals to 13. So this one. Then int potential is equals to A0. So this is the connection. Then int delay period is equals to 0. Then int in value. So next, the void setup pin mode LED 1 output until pin mode LED 12 output. So that means that there are 12 LEDs and those are the outputs, while pin mode potent is equals the input. So this is the code for the first pattern. Digital write LED 12 high. So this means that the LED 12 will turn on, then delay, wait for 500 milliseconds, then it will turn off. Next is the digital write LED 11 high. So again, it will turn on, then delay, then turn off. Then the process will continue until LED 1 here. Digital write LED 1 high. Then delay 500, then it will turn off. Next, so this is the code for the second pattern. Digital write LED 1 high. So that means that LED 1 will turn on, then delay 500, then will turn off. Then digital write LED 2 will turn on again, then delay 500, then will turn off. Then the process will continue until LED 12. Here, this is the last code for the second pattern. Next, for the third pattern, digital write LED 1 high, and digital write LED 12 high. So that means that LED 1 and LED 12 will turn on, then delay 500, then digital write LED 2 will turn on, and also LED 11 will turn on. Then the process will continue until LED 6 and LED 7. So that was the third pattern. Next, the fourth pattern, from LED 1 until LED 12, it will turn on. Then delay 1000, and then it will turn off. So let's see